And guys, now this place, guys, we are come to visit of that place. And guys, I come to the wrong side because here is a wall and road was end here. Now we are visit of this place. And guys, you look how is this place. I know of this place. What is this place, guys? I know. This structure have the very dark secret, guys. Dark secret. And what is secret, guys? I told you. This side has a no any equipment and no other shutter, guys. This is a fully open place, and this place cover in a rock in a rounded shape. Crematorium. This is a crematorium of the Parsi people. And so guys, welcome back in my blog. So guys, now I started my blog, and guys, now today is a very good day, guys, because today I visit our Jalna some unique and secret place. People they had don't know, guys, of that place, and guys, now today I will go there and finding some unique place of our Jalna city. And guys, today I visit, and this place it was so amazing, guys. First time I go that place 6 months ago. Even 6 months ago I will go, but that time I no idea and no information of that place. And now today I have full information and what called of that place, guys. Now I know. And guys, now today I visit of that place. So guys, stay tuned in my blog. And guys, now first that we are come to the garage. We have some problem of our platinum. Look, the gear lever was damaged. That reason we come here first. And now we are go to the our Jalna's finding history. And guys, now I done my work. And guys, now I go to the our destination. So stay tuned in my blog. And guys, you see of this road, guys. We call this route as the Kharpudi road. And this is the north side place of our Jalna, guys. And there was road go to the Kharpudi, and no, there is go to the another point, guys. This place we call the Kharpur road, and we are going to our destination, guys. And look like how is this place, guys. And guys, now I am come to our Jalna's Kharpudi area. This is a small town in our Jalna site. And guys, look like this scene. This is a very silent area, guys. And this is silence because this place is the outside of our Jalna city. There has our Jalna, and this is the Kharpudi Kharpur road, guys. And this place has actually another name. I don't know, guys, what called this code, what call of this place. And we also call the Kharpur road, guys, because that have road go to the Kharpudi of a small village in our Jalna. And look like this scene. And here is also small town, guys. And here is a very beautiful what called this beauty, guys, because here I have the small jungles, guys, of that side. Jungles and some farms is that side, guys. And look how is this place. This is a very silent place, guys. And now, guys, we are visit our destination. And guys, now this place, guys, we are come to visit of that place. And guys, I come to the wrong side because here the wall and road was end here. And I come to far time ago, I think 8 months ago we are come, guys. And I come up that road, and I think here is a road that we are so easily go out of that side, guys, but the road was blocked. And now, guys, we are go to the outside of that place. There has a road, and now guys we are go up there. Wow. And guys, look how is this scene and how is this place. And guys, we are coming that side, guys, and we are come right here. There has a road, guys. You'll see that have road, and that had we are come on that side, and we go off there, and now we are come to the his side, guys. And guys, look how is this beautiful scene. And guys, now we are go to our destination. And guys, look, this is a place. Now we are visit of this place, and guys, you look how is this place. This place made in a fully rock, guys. And look, which rock use of to made is this place, guys. This is a red stone, red brown stone to use of this stone, guys. This structure, guys. And this is a brown color, guys. Brown color rock. And guys, look how is the fix here. And this is the cement. No, we call it chuna, guys. This is a chuna. And this place not actually brown, guys. This is a have the lip, guys. You look, here is the paste, and this is the cement, guys. Cement paste to use of cover of this place, guys. And first that you see, guys, how is this place. This place is very big, guys. And guys, now first time I see of this place, I think this is a water tank, guys, because the shape like this, like a water tank. And I think this is a old water tank, but guys, this is not a water tank, guys. And here is also one statue, guys. Here is a tree, and which tree I don't know, guys. And guys, here is a one pillar, and I don't know, guys, first at what of this. And then a mind says me this is a like a god, guys, of that place. And guys, this is a god. The Farsi log was when come in our Jalna city, and they are made, guys, of this place and this place, and they called this is a god, guys. This I think here is the they seat of their god, and this is a stand, guys. Actually, I really don't know, guys, what is this, guys, because one someone says me this is like a the Farsi looks their god was stand here, and this is a big stand, and Farsi looks god was sit there, guys. One people one man come here and they say me, but actually I don't know, guys, what is this. But guys, I know of this place. What is this place, guys? I know. Guys, you look, guys, this is a like a one structure, guys. But guys, you see this place was fully covered by the rock, and here is a small window, guys. This is a not small window, this is a door, guys. And guys, now we are enter here. Oh my god, this is very high, guys. And first ad, guys, you see of this place. And first that you see the place, and then I told you what is this place, guys. This place was fully made by rock. This is a rock, guys. Look, this is rock, and this is fully made rock. And you guys, you see this side has a no any equipment and no other shutter, guys. This is a fully open place, and this place cover in a rock in a rounded shape. And you look, guys, here is a small window to see of outside of this place. And you see of this side, guys, this side has a small stone, guys, and like a chakra, guys. This is made by like the chakra, guys. Here is the one line, there is the one line, there is the one line, and here is the side, guys. You look, here is a rock and made in the round shape, guys. And this is the deep, guys. First at deep, and then the people was throw out there is the what called the clay, guys, and then the this side is so fully buried, guys. And guys, you know of this place, we are now in a crematorium. This is a crematorium of the Parsi people, and we are now, guys, in a crematorium. The Farsi log has the think when the people died and they are live here, guys, in alone. The body was come out in a soul, and then when they died, the body was come down in a soul, and that's the reason their people was come here. And when people was died, they people are live alone in that side, guys. And guys, now I'm in a enter in a crematorium. And you want the full information of this place, you also search in a YouTube, guys. You gave the full information. And guys, this crematorium in our Jalna city. And what you think about this place, guys? Comment now. And this is the exit also, and the same crematorium in also our Jalna another side. And this crematorium, and there is another crematorium. And guys, they made also, guys, when the people was live here alone, the died people was live here alone, and their relatives was the bath of their side, guys. When the died people was live here alone, their relative was go there, and there has a bath. And I think this is a very big bathroom, guys. And the Hindu religion also, guys, when the people died and he went come in a home, guys, the Hindu people was also take the bath, guys. This is a ritual actually, guys. And this is a big washroom, guys. When the people was live alone here, the Farsi log was go there and bath there. And this is the story of this tomb, guys. Look how is this, and what do you think about of this place? So guys, comment now. And guys, there has a that side, and this is the second side. And guys, now I go here. Guys, there has a that place, and this is a like they meant say me this is a bathroom, guys. When the people was live there, and that's relatives come here and take the bath, and like this scene. Look, what is this scene? Here is the door. Here is the door, guys. The people was enter and that side, and this is fully made with brick. And guys, here the problem is there is so many plants, guys, and that reason now the side of enter of this place, guys, because of so many plants, guys. And this is not so special, guys, of in this place, guys, then I can't take I don't take risk of go out in there, guys. And guys, this place and that place. And guys, what you think about this place? So comment now. And how you would you like of this place or not? And will you like today's vlog this like or not? So also guys comment now. And also guys, like this same place in our Jalna's another side, in a Ghanewadi side. And guys, I think today we will go there, but the problem is it's time to know evening, guys. It's time I think of 4 p.m. And when I go there, I think when the evening was come, there when the it was evening, and that reason I can't go, guys, because I also go there and I should also, but there's things can't visible in perfectly, guys, can't visible in clearly, and that reason I think I go the tomorrow, guys, of that place. And this is also unique place, guys, and we are also go to the tomorrow, guys, when the clearly shiny time in the morning time, that time shoot was also, guys, perfect, because the sunlight through come down like in that place. And when I also go, but the problem is the sunlight was go down, and that's the reason the shadow was come, and that thing is can't visible perfectly. And guys, that reason I also go to the tomorrow. And how you like to the vlog? So also guys comment now. And so guys, now today morning I started my vlog. And guys, now how it's going today's vlog, and you enjoy vlog or enjoy or not vlog, so guys comment now. And guys, I hope you will enjoy our today's vlog. And guys, also this vlog was end here. And so guys, stay tuned and like and subscribe this channel.